Yo, what's up guys? We are back at it, and we are at one of the very few twisty spots here in St. Petersburg, Florida. This is at a memorial park, like a little park. These are the only spots that have twisties here, so everything's so flat. But you can see I've got something brand new here. Usually I have my phone mount here. This is a HFK HC50. This is a navigation device. It's got GPS, and it even has GPS offline maps, which is really cool. It syncs up right now. It's synced up to my Android Auto. Does sync up to your Apple product as well. Let me... Ooh! Haven't heard this bike in a minute. Yay! Haven't ridden this bike in a minute. I forgot the joys of riding. But this is only my second time riding again. I want to hear the gears. I want to hear it. Second gear, I forgot. Whoa! Let me get this knee off a little bit. Feel it. The bike was dead recently because the battery hadn't started in 7 months. So I did have to get a new battery. Woo! Hold on, you dear life! Had to get a new battery, and I had to really clean up the chain, and I made the amateur mistake of not putting any fuel stabilizer in it, so it's kind of running a little harsh, I'd say. I did just fill it up, and I'll put some fuel stabilizer in it when I get back. But oh, I forgot the joys of riding. I've been riding my Piaggio Liberty 150S scooter, and that is not the same as this 950cc beast of a Kawasaki Z900RS Cafe. But oh, I forgot the joys of riding. Hold on, I forgot how to even ride. It's like I'm doing amateur shit right now. I'm gonna edit that out. I'm so used to riding with my Piaggio, which doesn't have any gears. So it's like getting used to shifting again. That's a whole new thing. But let me do a couple laps, then we'll pull over, and I want to show you the setup here with the HFK HC50. Alright, ladies and germs, let me show you the setup here. So we have the pièce de résistance, which is the HFK HC50 right here. It's got live monitoring front and rear. You can switch that up. Now what I have here, you can see front camera mounted right here, facing upwards. Cables running under the seat, where it's hooked up directly to the battery. Now I got the cable running as well to the rear, right here. So we got front and rear live recording on the display here. If we click this button, big chunky buttons, which is really good, it's going to bring up Android Auto. We can click that again, and it shows us live footage, live stats. Now we also can hook up a tire pressure monitoring system directly to our tires. If I could find right down there, you can replace this little knob with a device that monitors live tire pressure and tire temperature. It's really cool. Now if we click this button again, it's going to show us our I'm hooked up right now to Android Auto, so we've got live Google Maps. If you have Spotify, we can hook it up to Spotify. But really a cool device. You know, it also has offline maps, which is really great, because when you're riding cross country or wherever, a lot of dead zones out there. So it's important to have something that's going to work in those spots. I really like it. I never actually had an actual GPS. I always had my phone mounted right there. So having something like this that's actually purpose-made for motorcycles, big touchscreen, anti-glare, waterproof, shockproof, and you can see it just matches perfectly the aesthetic. Fits perfectly. A clamp mount right there. And what it's unique is it has bolts that can't be undone. You need a special key that it comes with. It's like a star key. So I recommend checking it out. I'll put a link down below. You could check out the HFK HC50 for yourself. Love you. Bye bye.